Yan mga kasrops. Nagutom na. You hungry boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Pupunta doon kami sa famous fried chicken dito sa Seattle mga kapatid. Nandito ito sa may downtown. Oh. Yan, yung Big Cemento na yun. Yan. Yeah. Let's go. Dito nga. Yan. Here's the one. Yes. Dito pala yung ito fried chicken no, ito yung sinasabi nung babae kanina eh. Yeah, the famous fried chicken in Seattle. Cookies. Yeah, tama. Yeah. Yan to mga troops oh. Yan, this is the famous Cookies Country chicken. May bone, yan may boneless. Really good sauce. Okay, come on, dahil mo. Open the door.
Sorry.
Come on, open.
Ulit, ito na lang.
Oh, hold it. Let's go. Oh wow, let's go. Let's go here. Yeah, this way. Hey, go down. You hungry? Yes. I will order. Okay. Come on. Let's go, boys. Marley, come on, let's go. Look at the fried chicken. It's so big. Marley, come on. Let's go. This is the Cookies Country chicken. You know, guys, this is the famous, guys, the fried chicken here. So famous. You know why? Because look at this. Look at this. It's so big. Look at the fried chicken, mga katroops. So big. Look. That's why it's called famous here in Seattle. Come and touch it. So big. And the chicken is came from this
It
one.
was famous and there's like so much people.
Yeah, before. Look at the ambience. Look at the restaurant. Look. So amazing. Like cozy. So rugged. I like it. So simple, but it's more of experience like chicken. Sabi nila kayo na mga props, kasi nakita nila yung tindero ko Toronto daw. Sabi niya, yung Canada daw, 51st state na. Tawa ng tawa eh. Okay, come on, let's go. Where's mama? Okay, look, there's a rooster over there, Marlon. Look at the rooster. There's a rooster over there. Wow, look at that. Amazing, Kathleen, right? Yeah? So, hintayin na natin yung manok mga kapag sabi ng tropa ano daw eh. 15 to 18 minutes yung manok. Fresh na yung luto. Alright. Ikay ko kung pwede tayong makisilip dun sa kusina nila mga kapag. Pero titingnan natin kung pwede. Okay? Wow! Yan mga kapag, matila yung manok natin. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kalaki yung mga manok na yan. Lahat na. Kamay na. Yan. Ito na yung chicken natin mga katrops. Plus yung french fries at may coleslaw. Wow. Chicken. Sit down, Kathleen. Sit down, Miss Marley. Sit down. Oh, wow. Kathleen, you like it? You like it, Marl? Yeah. Me too. You want fries? Okay, we'll get fries. Bigyan lang sa I will get water, okay? Nice. Look at this. Oh, french fries for Kathleen. Yeah. Look, tingnan niyo yung serving na mga katrops. Fresh na fresh yan. Ang unang kagat ni Mama Kats. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oo mga katrops, ito na. Maghanap tayo ng manok natin. Kalaki. Ang laki mga katrops. Mainit. Ito. Ito yung Thai. Tikman natin ha kung gano'ng kasarap yung Cookies Country Fried Chicken. Right, time? Ready ka, time? Are you ready? Okay. Okay. Are you ready or not? Oh, cheers. Here's the chicken. Cheers. It's too hot. It's too hot? Yeah, because it's brand new cooking.
No, that is
Hmm? Okay, mga katok. Cheers. Ooh. Oh. Oh, hot. Ang bagong kaano ito mga katok. Talagang bagong luto yung mga manok nila dito. Ano? Init pa oh. Wow, wala dyan dahil. No. That's regular. Meron pa sila ang mga katok. Regular, medium spice, saka spicy. Yung sa amin, yung regular lang ito eh. Tapos isasaw ko natin dito mga katok sa honey mustard. Ready? Okay, ito. Sarap mga katok. Tamang-tama. So ayan mga katok siya katapos na namin kumain, masok-masok. Isang bucket yung kinain. Alis pala dito eh. Dilibre pa kami ng French fries. Pag marami kang ano mga makisama, bigyan ka ng libre. Alright. Dito lang siguro yung muntig-vlog natin sa Cookies Country Fried Chicken. At see you sa susunod nating vlog. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami kasi magpapalaglagan ng kinain. Alright? Stay tuned and rock and roll.